Hello, this is Anindo Dotto. Today's presentation is about passport security system. The course is Digital Logic and Design. Myself is Anindo Dotto and my course teacher is Chaudhary Akram Hossain. Let's continue. In this lesson, we will cover the objective, the summarize and the related to industry and production of this system, and the procedure, how the system is working, and the procedure photo and the reference. The objective of this presentation is for the digital logic and device for password security system. We need to familiar about NOR gate and XOR gate within a circuit. Then the summary of this project is for NOR gate and XOR gate, which LED and register are used in this project. The key code and the data entry switch are the 2 8 position of DIP switch. So the password either become green if it's correct or become red if it is wrong. So in the above, we can say that the alert digital system, if someone's mobile device, every time the password has been attended, this password will become green if it's correct, if it's become red if it's wrong. Related to industry in this logic device, in this our world, the today's world is in an industrial device. Every uh, company and every industry has a operating of multiple devices which has been running, and the security of this system has been providing a security system. In this security system, the individual can also check the ring app in all time to make sure there is no anything outside of his property. It's like if someone's try to hack their industrial property, it can detect it. If someone is observing from a disclosed site, it can also give us a clue where it is coming from. So this security system is most important for the industrial system. So then again, the project description. So the project description, the equipment using in this project will be 401 NOR gate, 407 equal XOR gate, and 2 8 position of DIP switch, 2 light dots, and 1N914 switches, power boards, breadboards, and wires. So the procedures are many types. There are many procedure we can see. Some of we can say that if we set a power supply of 9 volt in a ground of the board, then the key code switch will enter the data. The correct key code of 1 to 13 pins of XOR gate as well as the data entry switch pin. So the 2, 5 and 9 and 12 are the XOR gate. If we connect the 10 kilo ohm resistor to the key code switch as well as to the data entry switch, then the place of wire either resistor to the ground, allowing a wire to come from pin 3, 6 and 8 and 11, or in the case of XOR gate, the pin 1, 3, 5 and 9 of 1N914 switch diode. So if the connection pin of the two 1N914 switch diode to the pin of the NOR gate as well as 10 kilo ohm resistor to the 4001 quad. So in the last case, if we say that the pin 3 of 4001, excuse me, quad of pin 4 of the 401 quad, then the connection push button to the ground and the 6 light emulates dots will be appearing. So the 10 kilo ohm resistance to the voltage, and placing the 4070 ohm resistor to each light insert the dot. So this is the photo of the diagram. In this photo we can see that the key switch of this uh, circuit diagram, and this is the data entry switch of the circuit diagram. Both are 10 kilo ohm, and when they are passing through the circuit, they entry in a 407 ohm, where if the circuit of this diagram and this security system, if the password is wrong, then the security system will not go, and if it is right, it will go. Thank you for all, and this whole presentation has been referred from a book by B. Holstrong, and thank you all.